It's high key much more fun to make a $222 sale versus a $5 sale on Etsy. I gotta tell you. What is up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's K Zane, and today we're talking about digital marketing and how you can make money with done for you courses that come with master resale rights. Namely, we're going to be talking about Digital Boss Academy, also known as DBA. On this channel, I've mostly talked about selling digital products on Etsy, but it's time to broaden our horizons because people are making bank selling MRR courses and done for you products. If you don't know what a master resale rights course is, it's just a course that you can buy and then resell to others for 100% profit. For example, Digital Boss Academy costs $222, and now that I have it, I can resell it to others for $222 or more if I chose to. Basically, with these MRR courses, if you invest in it and then just resell it one time, it's basically free, and that's girl math. To be fully transparent with you, I put off getting into MRR courses or reselling courses for a while because the way I saw people doing it was feeling very like scammy, pyramid schemey, and I'm not about that life. My mind really changed for two reasons. One, because I do teach how to sell digital products. And so if I wanted to make my own course, it's going to take me probably about 3 months. And I'm honestly just looking for a shortcut. I don't want to have to spend 3 months creating my own course. And Digital Boss Academy goes over the same exact information that I would be teaching. So really just makes my life a whole lot easier to sell a done for you course. The second thing that sold me on DBA is that there are so many resources and modules inside. It goes over more than just how to sell digital products online. It teaches you how to make money online in general. There's training on digital marketing and faceless marketing, but it also goes over different side hustles you can do online, like Amazon KDP, print on demand, and TikTok Shop. There are even more trainings and modules inside, but way too many for me to list or remember off the top of my head, so I'll show you when we hop over to my computer. Before we go any further, I just want to make it clear that you do not have to get DBA just to resell DBA. If the digital marketing niche or the make money online niche is not for you, you don't have to go into it. I think a lot of beginners buy a master resale rights course and then try to resell it, but they struggle because they don't actually know anything about digital marketing or they're not passionate about it. And so it's hard for them to create content consistently. DBA has a lot of value in it as a course itself. So you can take it just to get the skills and the knowledge and then apply it to a niche that you're actually passionate about. Maybe you're a mom of a picky eater, so you had to get really good at making vegetables taste good or sneaking them into different meals. And so you make a whole cookbook on how to get your picky eater to eat vegetables without them knowing. Honestly, that's a good digital product idea. You can go through the trainings in DBA, learn how to create a digital product, how to set it up, and how to attract your ideal customer through content marketing. All that to say, there's multiple ways to make money with DBA. You can take the skills and apply it to a niche that you really love, or you can sell DBA itself. If you're interested in joining DBA, I'll have it linked for you down in the description box. When you buy through me, you'll also get a $100 bonus credit to my PLR shop where you'll find pretty PLR and MRR products that you can also resell. Now let's hop over to my computer where I'll show you the back end of DBA so you can get a better idea of what's inside. I'm also going to show you how to set up your stand store so you can resell DBA for yourself. After you buy Digital Boss Academy, you'll be given the school community link. Here, if you don't already have a school account, you can make one completely for free and then request to join the group. To be accepted into the group, and this is very important, you need to email your receipt to the group administrator. Once you're inside the group, this is the first page you'll always see, the community page. Here's where you can ask any questions. You'll get important announcements here. And you can see it's a pretty active community. There's a lot of people asking questions, talking, and sharing wins. To get to all the different trainings and modules, you'll come to Classroom up here. If you didn't know, DBA has two volumes, Volume 1 and Volume 2. You can actually just buy Volume 1 still, which is all the red modules you see right here. It's all Volume 1. You can buy that just for $111, or if you want DBA Volume 1 and Volume 2, that'll be $222. I do like how they make it really easy for you. If you want to resell DBA, they lay it out for you step by step. So let's come over here to set up your online store. There are lots of videos in these trainings, and they even give templates that you can just edit for your own business and copy and paste in. They also give options, so they show you how to set up your store in Snipfeed, Stan, and Beacons. For this tutorial, we're going to be using StanStore. Back to the classroom, let's look at some of these other modules. There's training on how to build a brand. So if you don't necessarily want to sell DBA and you just want to learn how to build a strong brand on social media, this would be great for you. We have training on digital marketing. Look at all of these different lessons. They give you example reels and how to grow on social media. There's lessons on hooks and even hook ideas for you. And no matter what platform you use, SEO is going to be important to get your videos found for the right keywords. I really, really love this content vault. They have compiled over 40,000 faceless videos for you to make creating faceless content super easy. DBA Volume 1 also has a PLR vault included. Inside, you'll find over 50 PLR products that you can edit and then resell as your own. There are a lot of templates in here. You can resell these as individual products, or you can bundle up relevant ones and then sell them as a bundle together. I've seen people share testimonials where they're making hundreds of dollars reselling these PLR products on Etsy. So even if you don't want to resell DBA, you can make money with the PLR products inside of DBA. Another module that I think can be really useful, especially if you're a beginner just starting out, is this content inspiration. They've literally linked different accounts to give you ideas. Of course, you don't want to copy somebody word for word, but you definitely can take inspiration from their posts and put your own spin on it to create your own. There's so much information in here, guys, and this is only volume 1. You can also learn how to do automations on Instagram, how to grow on TikTok, how to set up a business, how to start an Airbnb business. There are also some non-digital marketing related lessons in volume 1, like how to budget, how to fix your credit, and even workout classes. Moving on to DBA volume 2, all you have to do is click here. And inside, you'll find even more trainings and modules on different topics and different ways to make money online. You can learn how to set up a Shopify store. You can learn how to do drop shipping with Printful. You can learn how to do your taxes, advertising, create content that actually makes you sales. How to use Pinterest, how to do faceless marketing, how to do UGC. Like, the list literally goes on and on and on. You guys know I'm an Etsy girly. There's a whole module on how to sell on Etsy. I've never even heard of this before, but you can learn how to start your own virtual call center and how to use AI to help you in your business. As you can see, there's so many trainings in here. There are so many modules. Honestly, it can get overwhelming to a point. I don't want you to spend 6 months going through every single one of these modules and lessons. The only way you're going to make money is by actually implementing. So pick what you're most interested in, go through the lessons, and then implement what you've learned. Now I'm going to show you how you can set DBA up in your Stan store. Stan store costs $29 a month and it has a 14-day free trial. Don't start your free trial until you are absolutely ready to start selling. So go through the DBA modules first. You'll definitely want to have all your social media accounts created. You should also have some content made and ready to go so you can start posting from your very first day. To open up your Stan store, you can go to the link in my description to get your 14-day free trial and then come here to sign up and fill out your information. On the next page, you'll have to enter your credit card information, but you won't be charged the $29 until after your free trial is over. Next, you'll pick your niche. This is what you'll see when you're done creating your store. Let's come over here to My Store. You're going to want to fill out your profile so you're not just looking at this blank photo. Add a photo. You can add a short bio, and you can add your social media links here. Now to add DBA to your store, click Add Product, and it's going to be a digital product. Over here, you can see a preview of how your product is going to look, and there are 3 different styles you can choose from. So this one, a call out, or the preview. I like the call out the best. The first thing you'll need is a thumbnail image that says DBA. So we'll head back over to the school community and go to the Set Up Your Online Store module, and then come to customize your DBA logo. Down here, click editable DBA logo and it will take you to the Canva design. Let's make a copy of this by coming to File, Make a Copy. I'm gonna delete all these other text and arrows, we don't need them. And then just make this a little bit bigger. Now you can actually change the logo to your brand colors by going to Edit Image and then going to Duotone. Here you can change the colors. I think I'll do a light blue. Now we just want to make sure everything is centered and looks good. Now if you want to take it a step further, you can add some text. Now you'll download your thumbnail as a PNG file. So come up here to Share, Download, PNG. Come back over to Stan Store, go to Choose Image, Upload Image. and then drop in your logo. Next, you'll add the title and subtitle for your product. So Digital Boss Academy. After you filled out that text, you'll go to the next page, which is the checkout page. For the header image, you can head back over to Canva and just resize the logo to the 1920 by 1080 pixels, but you need a Canva Pro account to do that. If you don't have Canva Pro, you can come back to the home page, create a new design of 1920 by 1080 pixels, then come back to the logo and just paste that right on in there. Make it nice and big, and then just download this as a PNG file. Back on Stan, you're going to do the same thing you did for the logo. Upload the image. Boom, there you go. Now for the description body, there are two ways you can do this. One, you can just copy and paste text. Like I told you, they have these templates in here that you can literally just copy and paste in the description. Or you can make it look a little bit nicer and use photos for your description text. So it would look something like this. I'm going to show you how to set it up like this in your Stan store. To get those photos, you'd come back to set up your Stan store and you scroll all the way down to description template link PDF. These colors are really ugly, so we're going to make this look better. You should do it according to your own brand colors. I'm going to come back to the logo, copy it, delete this one, and just paste that in and make it smaller. I don't like that you can't change the red in this question mark, so I'm going to put a new question mark. Of course, you want to go through and edit any mistakes you see, any grammatical errors. Some of these texts are in white font, and so you can't see them. I don't know why it's like that. So let's change these to black. See down here, there's also more white text with a white background, so you can't see it. Change it to black. Now to quickly change all these other boxes, go to one that you already changed, hit copy style, and just click the box that you want to change. I'm also just adding some drop shadows onto the testimonials. This is my final version. I changed it up a little bit to make it prettier. If you buy DBA through me and you want this version of the template, just let me know and I will send it over to you. Now we're going to download this as a PNG file. Delete the text that's there. Come to this little icon with the mountain and click in that photo. And there we have it. It looks really nice. Down here, let's erase Get My Guide and change it to Join DBA Now. And lastly, the price is $222. The next thing we need to do is create a file with the instructions on how to join the DBA community, and we'll upload that right here. To do this, let's go back over to DBA, and we're going to go to Give Customers Access to DBA via email or PDF, and let's copy this. This basically shares the invite link to the school community and it tells them that they have to submit their receipt. Let's come back over to Canva and create a new design. I'm going to do US letter size. Now I'm going to paste in that text I copied. Let's make it smaller. And now we're going to edit this. I'm going to delete all the words we don't need. We're going to bold the invite link. Going to bold that they need to send the receipt to this email. Make sure you add your email here so your customers can contact you if they have any problems. And down here, make sure to add your name. I'm going to just come back over here and grab the DBA logo again. Paste that in there to make it look a little prettier. For the invite link, let's make it hyperlinked. I'm going to copy this, then come up here to link and just paste in the link. So now people can actually just click it. When you're done editing, come up to share and download this as a PDF standard. Hopping back over to Stan Store, we're going to upload that file right here. One last thing to do before you're all set to publish, come back up here to options and then come down here to confirmation email. This is the email customers will receive after they buy DBA from you. And so we're just going to add the instructions here as well. So come back over here. Let's just copy this. I'm going to actually keep all of this other text. Hi, customer name. It'll say thank you for ordering Digital Boss Academy. Here's your order. So let's keep that. And then let's just paste this in as well. And obviously we want to format it a little bit nicer than this. Once you've done that, you're all ready to go and you can hit publish. And now you'll see DBA in your store. I really hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, of course, leave them below in the comments. Thanks so much for watching this video. I wish you the best of luck on your digital marketing journey. Go out and make some money. If you do want to join DBA, I have the link down in the description. And remember, you get a bonus $100 PLR credit to my PLR shop, Zane PLR. I will talk to you next time. Bye.